I'm gonna just really get like right into it, bro.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10 losing. I'm finna hit this bitch, it's a stand, and that man's on them. I'm finna hit this bitch, it's a stand, and that man's on them.
Now, I will show y'all what it sounds like with no effects. Do not fry me in the comments, bro.
I don't feel no vibes.
I ain't gonna lie, I might have to retire after that one, bro. Now look, do not fry me, bro. Do not fry. I know it sounds bad, bro. Do not fry me, okay? There's no need. There is no need, bro. There's no need. There's no need. All right, anyways, okay, you know what I'm saying? Retune speed, like 0, okay? Humanizer 40, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Just put it at 40, bro, because you do not want to sound like a complete robot, okay? We're not going full Optimus Prime, son. EQ, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, we took out a little bit more highs, you know what I'm saying? It's like at 108. And then you obviously dip in the low end because you don't want the popping up all in your mic. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, don't ask what that was. You take out some highs, obviously, because you don't want that. Then I ain't gonna lie, we use analog compression, okay? Because analog compression, bro, it's just fire, bro. Okay, like, you know what I'm saying? It's simpler. You know what I mean? Like, literally, you compress makeup gain. Compression at like 22 dB, makeup at like 9. You know what I'm saying? Like, without any compression, I'll show y'all what it sounds like, bro. Like, it's not gonna sound down.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10 losing. I'm finna hit this bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not bad, but like, bro, it's just not popping. Now you add that compression.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10 losing. I'm finna.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, come on, gang. Start sleeping on that compression. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the EQ is what gives it its tone, bro. Like, it really makes you kind of sound like OsamaSon's, bro. Because, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I seen somebody that was making a preset and they told you, bro, don't mess with the EQ up here. Put the EQ right here. Bro, no! God, no! Don't do it. Please. It is, like, the most misinforming thing I know. Like, oh, yeah, let me do this to my... No, like, bro, don't. Unless you absolutely have to, don't, okay? I know I had to crash out. I'm sorry, because, like, bro, why would... Anyways, all right, you know what I'm saying? Sound Goodizer, bro. Once again, Sound Goodizer... Sound Goodizer is always going to give you a good sound, okay? You know what I'm saying? Okay, you know what I'm saying? You got it on A, you know what I'm saying? Put it at about, like, a little bit above halfway. Then, down here, like, the same, like, you know what I'm saying? 76, bro. Without the Sound Goodizer, it's not bad, but you're gonna hear it. Just, it don't have that.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10 losing.
Why does all that go at? Huh? I'm so confused. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, then obviously I'm not gonna lie. I added this now without these sends. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like without the sends. Okay.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10.
Now, this is where you see the sauce. This is where you see the sauce, okay? Distortion, you know what I'm saying? I used the capitator, bro. I really just had the drive at only like 3, okay? You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need it that much. Flanger, Flangus, you know what I'm saying? I just added all that, then reverb. We used Valhalla and Echo Boy. Now I'm starting to learn. I'm not gonna lie. Fruity Reverb, you did me really well. We had a good relationship. But I need that Valhalla, bro, okay? You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta add that Valhalla. Like, dead serious. Like, I'm not playing. Like, I'm so dead serious.
Like, if you don't use Valhalla, I'm coming to your house. I'm gonna kidnap you and
Alright, anyways. I'm not kidding. No, I'm just playing. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the Ad-Libs was really, I'm not gonna lie, with this, it was the same thing. I just copied. If I'm gonna be so 100% real with you, I literally just copy and pasted it. And I just cut out more lows, okay? Like, you should do... I promise you 99% of like engineers or artists probably do this. Like, it okay, because think about it. What is the point of literally sitting there individually rebuilding a whole ad-lib when you can just work around the main vocal? I mean, if you want to make it complicated, hey, go impress somebody and waste your time, okay? You know what I'm saying? That's just me being dead honest. But that was for like the intro, okay? Like the intro vocal, which I'm about to show you. It kind of adds like that little sound to it, like the like, you know what I'm saying? Like that little woo, okay? You know what I'm saying? I added reverb. Now in the original, there's not that much reverb. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? But there's this, you know what I'm saying? The Ad-Libs, which really with this, all that was really different is I just added the delay. And like I really delayed it. Like really delayed it. We almost have it on max. All right, bro. Like, you really want that delay hitting on this vocal, okay? You add all that, bro, and you get this.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride, we on 10 losing. I'm finna hit this bitch, it's a stand, and that man's on them. I'm finna hit this bitch, it's a stand, and that's him on them. I'm in a big room, now I'm off this shit. I got too much paper, now I'm off that bitch. I got too much paper on me, I'm off that bitch. I got too much paper on me, I'm off that bitch. That's how you sound like OsamaSon's. OsamaSon's.
Okay, and then I ain't gonna lie, like, really? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I did forget to show y'all one thing, okay? I'm not gonna lie. Look, on your ad-lib, bro, you add that fruity shaper, and this kind of, it brings the ad-libs back. Like, if I don't do that, I'm gonna show, it's just too present. I'm gonna show you, like, hold on.
I don't feel no vibes, I don't feel losing. We got too many bitches in this ride.
Like, they're too in your face. Like, I'm like, you don't want your I'm starting to learn that. Like, you don't want the ad-libs just straight up in your face. And also, the #1 important thing that I'm about to show you, Soothe 2. This will help you get your mix, like your vocals, to exactly where they're supposed to be with the beat. Okay, like
we on 10 losing. I'm finna hit this bitch.
Like I'm finna show you what it sounds like without doing that. Like, hold on, let me unlink all these. I'm finna show you what it sounds like without that.
It's a stand, and that man's on them. I'm finna hit this bitch. It's a stand, and that's him on them. I'm in a big room, now I'm off this shit. I got so much paper, now I'm off that bitch.
I'm telling you, bro, it's some little things that matter, bro. Like, for real, gang. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. It's some little things that matter, bro. Now, as always, if you want the preset, it is down in the description. You know what I'm saying? Go to Gumroad, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, bro, because we be grinded, twin. We be grinded, twin. Hey, y'all let me know what other preset y'all want me to do. You know what I'm saying? I'll make sure I, like, cook that up for y'all. You know what I'm saying, bro? But, nah, yeah. You know what I'm saying? We back at another one, bro, and I will see y'all in the next one.